Installing a new door is one of the best ways to boost your Murray home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security. Whether you're replacing an old entry door, upgrading to a modern sliding patio door, or adding a storm door for extra protection, preparation is key to ensuring a smooth and successful installation. By taking a few simple steps before your installers arrive, you'll save time, reduce stress, and set the stage for a perfect fit. Measure and choose the right door. The first step in preparing for a new door installation is making sure you've selected the right size and style for your home. Take accurate measurements of your doorway or ask your installer to do a professional measurement. This helps prevent delays and ensures that your new door will fit seamlessly. When choosing a door, consider Murray's climate. Insulated entry doors or energy-efficient patio doors can make a big difference in comfort and utility costs, especially during Utah's cold winters and hot summers. Clear the work area on installation day. Your contractor will need plenty of space to remove the old door and bring in the new one. Clear the entryway both inside and out by moving furniture, rugs, plants, or decor that may be in the way. If it's a patio or back door installation, make sure the deck or yard area is also free of obstacles. This not only speeds up the process but also helps protect your belongings from dust and accidental damage. Ensure easy access to your home. Door installations often require multiple trips in and out of the house. Make sure your installers have a clear path to the work area. Unlock gates, secure pets in another room, and move vehicles away from driveways or garage doors if they might block access. Preparing for easy entry helps your crew focus on the job instead of maneuvering around barriers. Protect floors and surrounding spaces. Even careful installers can track in dust, dirt, or debris while working. Lay down protective coverings such as drop cloths or old sheets around the installation area. This is especially important if you have hardwood floors, carpet, or tile near the doorway. Some professional door installation teams will bring their own floor protection, but adding an extra layer shows foresight and keeps cleanup simple. Plan around weather conditions. Murray's weather can be unpredictable, especially in spring and fall. Since your home will be temporarily exposed to the outdoors during the installation, check the forecast and plan accordingly. If rain or snow is expected, confirm with your installer that the job can proceed safely. You can also prepare by setting up temporary coverings like tarps or plastic sheets to minimize exposure. Ask about timing and process before installation day. Have a quick conversation with your contractor about what to expect. Ask questions like, how long will the installation take? Will there be any noisy tools or equipment used? What cleanup is included after the job? Knowing the timeline and process will help you plan your day and avoid unnecessary stress. Inspect the finished work once the installation is complete. Take a few minutes to review the new door with your installer. Check that it opens and closes smoothly, locks securely, and has proper weather stripping for energy efficiency. If you notice any issues, bring them up right away so they can be addressed on site. Final thoughts. Preparing your Murray home for a door installation doesn't take much effort, but it makes all the difference in ensuring the process goes smoothly. By measuring accurately, clearing the work area, protecting your home, and coordinating with your installer, you'll enjoy a stress-free experience and a beautiful new door that enhances your home for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your entryway or patio, start preparing today. Your new door will be a lasting investment in both comfort and style.